Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Fiverr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the Fiverr website where you can proceed with your credentials in order to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to not use Fiverr anymore, and if you want to delete your account, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now, from the Settings page, within the Account section, you will find the Deactivate section. Just click on the reason by clicking on the drop-down menu, and then you can provide further description if you want. Finally, click on the Deactivate Account button, and you will be told that your account has been closed. You will also be logged out from your account right away. Now, if you change your mind, you can log back into this account before 15 days has passed and your account will be reactivated once again. However, after this point, your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.